Here I am. Hello, it's me, Charles, in my scooter travel around town. At the moment, I'm at 20 kilometers from Ashburton at Riverside. Just to have an idea, and that's the sea. Almost winter time. This is the Ashburton River, and that's the sea. And as guys can see, they join just over there. And I must need to show my scooter. I came with it today. She's so pretty. It's like a way too pretty. And also, I traveled 24 k's to get here, and took me 34 minutes. And average speed of 41 k's, top speed at 60.8. And let me show you something. That's my controller, and that's my battery, and this is my motor, and this is the key to turn everything on, and the key and the main switch. It is my Carrera helmet, and this is me, Charles. What can I say? I'm very happy of my project. Actually, I'm super happy. Also, I'm not working at Teles anymore. I quit, like since early this month, and probably I stay in Ashburton for another while, and then I'm going to Christchurch to find a job there. And if everything goes right, I gotta get my residency and then go to uni. Woohoo! And everything will be fine. I love you, Belen Ramirez. I love you, Aliranda. I love you, Clau. I love you, Vane. I love you, Mom. I love everyone around. And I love the guys as well. Just like friends, love. Anyway, time to go. And you guys didn't see me. How can I show myself? Hello, this is me, Charles. I think I look very nice holding the camera. Just a real motorcycle. What do you guys think of me? Wow, I just say thunder. Bye guys, take care and keep moving forward always.